In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it when your iPhone speaker isn't working. Before we do dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Obviously, this can be very frustrating, especially because you're not going to hear sound from your iPhone speakers. If you do want to fix this, begin by dragging down from the top right of your screen to open up the control center. And from here, try just increasing the volume to see if that solves the issue. If it doesn't, check the side of your phone and make sure that silent mode is turned off. Sometimes having silent mode mutes your phone completely, and you don't want that happening. But if you're still not having any luck, go ahead and open up settings on your device. And what you're going to want to do is scroll down till you find the Bluetooth option and turn it off. Just make sure that your phone isn't trying to play sound through a paired device like headphones or speakers. If your speaker still isn't working though, what you're going to want to do is perform a forced restart. You can do this by quickly pressing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then hold the side power button and keep holding it until the screen goes black and you see the Apple logo. After doing that, release, and when your phone does restart, check that speaker again. In most cases, one of these steps should get it working again. But that is it. Hopefully this guide did help you out. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.